Hello guys, my name is Lenin, and today we will see how to create a Zap account. You need to go to Zapier.com, and there on the right side you will see the options to create your account. You can see you have Gmail, Facebook, and Microsoft. Also, if you have a corporate email, you can select this option and create your account. We will select right now Gmail and use one that I already have. When you log in, the first thing you will see is the dashboard. You can create Zaps over here really fast. You connect the app with the other one. If you click on Zaps on the left side, you will have a menu. You will see the Zaps you have created before. Also, if you click on Task History, you will see a list of every task your Zap have attempted. You click on your picture and then you go to Settings. You can update your profile, navigate to your email, settings page, and also more. Follow me on the next video so we can learn more about Zapier. Have a nice day, guys.